Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Apple's latest lineup, the iPhone 16 series, and trust me, there's a lot to get excited about. From the entry-level iPhone 16 to the powerful iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple continues to raise the bar in smartphone innovation. Let's see what each model brings to the table. iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus, classic power, refined. Let's kick things off with the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. Apple stays true to its roots with these models, giving us sleek designs and powerful hardware. The iPhone 16 Plus offers the same features as the iPhone 16 but with a larger display for those who love bigger screens. Design-wise, we're getting that iconic flat edge look, and for 2024, the color palette is fresh, offering more vibrant and dynamic hues. The display sizes? The iPhone 16 comes with a 6.1-inch screen, while the Plus version boasts a larger 6.7-inch display, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and just immersing yourself in content. Performance. Under the hood, Apple equips both the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus with the A17 Bionic chip, ensuring a snappy, seamless experience, whether you're multitasking, playing graphically intense games, or working on demanding apps. The energy efficiency has also been upgraded, giving you more hours of use while maintaining incredible processing power. Cameras elevating mobile photography. For photography lovers, the dual camera system on the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus has been refined. A 12 megapixels wide camera and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera give you versatility to capture anything from sweeping landscapes to crisp portraits. Apple's computational photography continues to shine here, improving low-light performance and delivering sharper, more detailed photos with each shot. iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, unleashing power. Now, onto the heavyweights, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. These are the devices for those who want the best of the best, pushing boundaries with pro-level performance and features that tech enthusiasts dream of. Design and display. The Pro models sport a sleek titanium frame, giving them a premium feel without compromising durability. The 6.1-inch Pro and the 6.7-inch Pro Max both come equipped with Apple's signature promotion displays, capable of adapting refresh rates up to 120 Hz. Whether you're scrolling, gaming, or editing, these screens deliver buttery smooth visuals. A18 Bionic chip, a new benchmark. At the heart of the Pro models is Apple's new A18 Bionic chip. This processor is an absolute powerhouse, with incredible graphics rendering and improved AI capabilities, perfect for everything from professional-grade photo editing to immersive AR experiences. Pro camera system, a photographer's dream. If you're serious about mobile photography, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max have you covered. The triple lens system includes a 48 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 12 megapixels telephoto lens. The new quad-pixel technology improves focus and sharpness, ensuring every shot looks professional. The Pro Max takes it a step further with a 5x optical zoom. Whether you're shooting in low light or at long distances, you can expect stunning detail and clarity with every photo. Dynamic Island, even more useful. Apple's Dynamic Island returns, this time even more integrated into the iOS ecosystem. Whether it's managing notifications, keeping track of live activities like sports scores, or navigating through music playlists, it's a fluid and interactive experience designed to keep you focused on the task at hand without jumping between apps. Who should get what? If you're someone who loves simplicity, the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus are your go-to options. You'll get great performance, excellent cameras, and that timeless Apple design. For tech enthusiasts, power users, or professionals, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are the ultimate picks. With their advanced camera systems, A18 Bionic chip, and promotion display, they're built for those who need high-end performance, whether for work or creative projects. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the iPhone 16 series. Each model has something unique to offer, and Apple has done a fantastic job catering to different types of users, whether you're casual or a pro. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights.